everyone, and welcome to Cricut Time. Subscribe to see new videos each week with project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. Hey everyone! I love it when Michaels puts out their grab boxes so much that I bought 2 of them. Michaels puts these out after major holidays and at the end of the season. Let's open one up and see what you can get for only $10. The first thing out of the box is this basketball. It's hard plastic and definitely for display, not playing with. This is definitely an end of summer box, because here we have an Ashland moss letter H. There is also an Ashland moss ball. And I see lots of back to school stuff hiding under here. We have 2 Be a Kind Human notebooks. There is a 124-piece Creatology stationery kit. We have not 1, not 2, but 9 pencil cases. Some have sticker letters inside, and some are shiny. These would be good for adding a name on the front with vinyl. There are 2 more notebooks. There are 7 packs of index cards. 5 of them are these sparkly ones. They all have a metal ring to take the cards on and off. And 2 of them are space themed. Next are 4 of these Ashland summer florals. These always make good accents on projects. There are 3 packs of Creatology pom-pom pencil toppers, and they have a little charm stuck on them as well. There are 4 packs of chenille patch stickers. These are cute for backpacks or notebooks. There are 2 of these fun Creatology heart stackable markers. Next are 4 packs of Creatology pins. And at the bottom of the box were a variety of these 4 cute Creatology pens. And lastly, we have 2 Creatology bracelets. Well, there you go. This is everything I got inside my $10 Michaels grab box. Both of my October boxes had a lot of back-to-school goodies in them. Well, thanks for joining me today. And don't forget to subscribe to see more unboxing videos, and of course, all things Cricut and sublimation.